If you need to cancel a pending transaction on DoorDash, follow these steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your order history. Step 2. Go to Orders. Navigate to the Orders section of the app. This is usually found in the main menu or at the bottom of the screen, where you can see all your current and past orders. Step 3. Select the pending order. Locate the pending order that you wish to cancel. Tap on it to view the order details, including the status and estimated delivery time. Step 4. Tap on Cancel Order. Look for the option to cancel the order. This is typically a button or link labeled Cancel Order. Tap on it to initiate the cancellation process. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Follow any prompts to confirm that you want to cancel the order. Make sure to read any messages regarding the cancellation policy or potential fees before finalizing your decision. Once you have completed these steps, your pending transaction should be cancelled. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to DoorDash customer support for further assistance.